In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your logo shows up cleanly and professionally on your site. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website, then sign into your account. If you have multi-factor security turned on, complete that as usual. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your account username to open the menu. From there, select My Products. This is where all of your GoDaddy services live, including your websites. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the website editor. Give it a second to load. Inside the editor, you'll add a new section for your logo. Look for the plus sign to add a section and click it. A panel of section categories appears. Choose Image Gallery. Within Image Gallery, select Logos and Badges. Then pick the layout labeled Display Logos of your partners or sponsors all at once. This layout is perfect for showing one or multiple logos in a clean row. With the section added, look at the right side settings panel. In the area labeled Logo and Badge Images, click the plus sign to start adding your logo. Next, click Add Images. Your file chooser will open. Browse to the logo file you want to use and select it. For best results, use a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background or an SVG if you have one. These formats typically stay crisp and look great on different screen sizes. Keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly. After choosing your file, click Add to Logos and Badges. You'll see an upload indicator. Wait until it finishes. If the preview looks slightly soft at first, give it a moment. GoDaddy may be processing the image. When the upload completes and the logo appears in the preview area, you can confirm the positioning and spacing in the section. If your logo looks too large or small, you can adjust it later from the section's style controls. But for now, we're focusing on getting it in place. When everything looks good, click Done to save the section changes. That's it. The logo is now part of your site's design inside the editor. Tip: if you're adding multiple partner logos, try to use images with similar heights and transparent backgrounds so they align neatly and feel consistent across devices. You've successfully added a logo to your GoDaddy website using the Logos and Badges section.